This is Jerome Joseph live in Macau in the City of Dreams. I just finished watching this amazing musical, The House of the Dancing Water. It was such a powerful show that engaged on 3 levels. And the 3 levels that I'm going to share with you also relate to when it comes to branding. How can you engage and connect and create an experience for your customers? Number 1, the show connected on a very physical level. The props, the costumes, the backdrop, amazing. When it comes to your brand, what are the things that are the physical touch points of your brand, and how are you engaging your people through these physical touch points? Number 2 was the sensory component of the show. The water, the light, the sound, amazing. What are you doing when it comes to your branding to build that sensory engagement for your brand? Number 3, emotions. This production told a powerful story, the hero's journey. When it comes to your branding, what are you thinking about, emotionally connecting to your audience? What is the hero's journey that you're on, that you're telling the world, that you want to connect the world with your powerful brand story? So my name is Jerome Joseph, live in Macau, live in the City of Dreams, and I wish you success in building a world-class brand experience that's going to get you a standing ovation every single time.